Cut a paper towel roll in half, and now you have a tear-off napkin dispenser. Handy! Plastic glove won't fit on properly? Here's how to adjust it. Much better. To soothe mosquito bites, always carry some Vaseline with you. Your phone's display always gets covered in fingerprints. With this homemade mixture, you can clean the display in a jiffy. And it will make the display fingerprint-proof. If your pants are too long, don't do this. Try this solution using a hair elastic. Wow! Here's a useful hack for the holidays. Like this, you can fold up your t-shirts in a jiffy. And save space in your luggage. Makeup brushes should be washed regularly. Using a strainer, you'll be able to remove the makeup trapped in the bristles. And you'll be protected from any germs and bacteria. After using spray detergents in the bathroom, soak your toothbrushes in mouthwash before using them again. Refill this toilet fragrance dispenser with DIY yellow soap balls. Perfumes and sanitizes with every flush. To remove rust from your iron, try a spray lubricant. You'll see the results immediately. For knife blades, you can use lemon as an all-natural alternative. As good as new.